fountain for beautifying as a part of beautifying Porvorim constituency. We have been talking to corporates and corporate contributions given. We are certainly trying and beautifying certain spots, gardens, other areas. One of the major attractions what we have done here is keeping up the fountain. Now the boys from IHM who are hostelites, who have no sense of community living, they सध्याचे हांगा रावतात. They have been creating nuisance from day one on this particular area. They have been trying to play mischief with this. आणि भुरगे म्हणून आम्ही अजून पण उगी राविल्ले. होळीच्या दिसा काल तांणी बसून अक्षरशः चोरयो केल्या, मोडून उडयला आणि सगळं फाउंटन भितरलो they have actually broken it up. When one of our boys have told him what it is, they have actually shoot him away की आम्ही जाय ते करतले तुम्ही जाय ते करात नाही. हे सगळे भायले भुरगे. आता I feel that IHM, the warden and the rest of them are trying to protect them for reasons best known to them itself. The security has admitted that they were the people who have come and done this. And this nuisance which is being created, these are the similar boys who are creating nuisance in Todda Creek, Service Road. हे बाकी जाग्यांचेर पिऊन मस्ती करता ते चडशे हेच भुरगे येतात. आणि आता समज हांकां चिमटो काडलो ना आनी एक्शन घेतलें ना, दे विल टेक एवरीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. आज तांणी फाउंटन बरो आशिल्लो तो मोडला भितरले इल्ले चोरयो जाल्या. Time will tell us. Police have already done the investigation. Yesterday there were 2 boys who were arrested. I think out of them one turned out to be a IHM fellow. When we have been asking them, none of those people have been cooperative, whether it was a warden or the AO of IHM, and they have been trying to hide facts which can be very visible. We have asked police to act. We will take this case to the end आणि आम्ही पळयतले की हांगा जे एक्शन जावपाक जाय will allow the people also that this shouldn't be a precedent for people to take the open areas or things which are developed in the interest of our residents of Porvorim to be destroyed for their own whims and fancies. So आज आम्ही हांगा आयल्या inspection करून we have taken note of all these things. The police have taken note of this. I have asked for immediate strict action as far as this particular fountain area is concerned, out of which I believe the suspects who are the IHM residents once booked. I'm only saying that the hotel management college has to also act stern कित्याक शेवटी भुरग्याक सांबाळपाक वायट दिशा दाखोवपाची नासता. They have to show them the proper way how to do it. They come here for studies. Then this extracurricular should be within the frame of proper activities, not being indecent and carrying out indecent activities.
So होलीच्या निमतान म्हाका दिसता कॅटरिंगचे भुरगे तेंच्यांनी हांगा येवन खुबशे हांगा रिसंटली आतां आमी हो बांदलेलो सो ते भुरगे येवन म्हाका दिसता कॅटरिंगाचे येवन सगळे ते हांगा उदकान खेळून ते सगळे म्हाका दिसता पायप आनी नळाचे ते वॅल्युबल थिंग्स ते सगळे भितर आशिल्ले ते सगळे तोडफोड केला हे केला आनी कोणे आमचे एकट्या भुरग्यान सांगले तांकां की अशें हे करूं नाका पूण तांकांय तेंच्यांनी तापयले आनी धांवडावन घातले. सो आतां आमी कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा पुलिसान येवन हे सगळें इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्लें आसा. हे भुरगे जे हांगा शिकपाक येता ते भायले भुरगे आसा पूण शिकपाक येतात पूण खूब न्यूसन्स हे करता ते हांगा येवन खूब मस्ती करतात. आयकना ते सपोज केन्ना कितें कोणें कितें सांगले आयकना खंय बाटली घेवन बसतले पियातले बाटले फोडटले. इवन सर्वीस रोडार ते बसता बाटले फोडटा. सपोज कोण तांकां सांगपाक हे करता जाल्यार ते कशें आयकना मागीर तांकां शाणपणां सांगता. ती ग्रुपान आसता 10-15 भुरगे अशे आनी काल येवन हे सगळे वाट लावन गेला की आमी जे कितें डेवलपमेंट आमचे हितून करता ते भुरगे अशे हांगा हे करून वाट लायता.